Here's another update video for January 23rd, 2023, and we go from 6 to 7 video right now. And right now it's about 1:37 in the afternoon, almost near 2 o'clock. And they're still doing it, yep. The van, yep, this white van, I showed you that, it's still there. Yep. Can't wait to retire from this. Can't wait. Now what's that he's doing? Yep. What's this old man talking to? So I hope you enjoyed this another short video of the construction update for January 23rd, 2023. I'll see you a little bit later when I give you some more updates. Take care and see you later.